Good morning guys, in front of me is RUGONE Xever 7 Pro, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's open your phone dialer. Now mark more icon and select settings. Here you've got block numbers, just mark it, and you can either block all unknown colors by using the stop indicator, or you can add some number manually by yourself. To do it, just mark add a number and provide this number here. Tap on block, and that's it. That will be all. To remove some number to your blacklist, just mark cross icon. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.